Thanks for joining this mini webinar on inventory control. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, we're going to break it down step by step. So let's get started on this. All right, what is inventory control? Inventory control is about knowing how much stock you have, where it's located, and managing it efficiently. Think of it as the backbone of your operations. Good inventory control helps you prevent stockouts, reduce waste, and also save you a lot of money. So what is the inventory control flow? It starts with when materials or products arrive at your facility and you being able to record what was exactly received. Also have traceability, being able to track lot numbers, any serial numbers, and then also tracking what is going into production, right? If the raw materials are used in production and then finished products are made, okay, being able to track the traceability of that, and then also storing your items, raw and your finished products, okay? Once it's stored, being able to track the products as they go out to your customers. So knowing exactly what went out to your customers and making sure that they are picked and packed correctly and sent out to your customers, okay? So how do we maintain a good inventory control of this whole work process? What you need to do is regularly monitor and update your stocks so that you are avoiding errors, okay? And you're also going to count items frequently, especially fast-moving items, and to make sure that your inventory levels are fully accurate, okay? You're also going to organize your warehouse. You're going to use methods like FIFO to improve efficiency, all right? And also organize everything so that your fast-moving products are more closer to your shipping department and things like that, all right? And also you're going to need to have real-time reporting. So therefore you can track inventory levels, see what products have been in your facility for too long, obviously identify slow-moving products, and also track waste in your production process. So having that report so that you can actually take actions, which is our next step, okay? Now, by tracking your inventory and streamlining it, what you can do now is you can reduce waste by avoiding expired or unsold items. You can also cut costs by making sure that you're not overbuying, you're understocking because you know exactly what inventory you have. Also, you can save time by automating reorder points and updates. Okay, with all of this together, you're going to be able to make better, smarter decisions so that you can grow your business and keep your customers happy. So if you're a product company that is managing inventory, typically you're doing this either on a piece of paper, Excel spreadsheets, storing all this in cabinets. And if you're doing this, if you're a business that's doing this, you're not going to have real-time updates. You're going to be spending hours on cycle counts. You're going to be using outdated spreadsheets and paper. And this is going to lead to delayed decisions and missed opportunities. So this is where, if you don't have a solution in place, take a look at a solution like Brahmin Solutions. And what Brahmin Solutions is going to do is automate all of this process into one centralized hub. And it's going to provide you real-time updates and help you save money, especially so that you can see where you can reduce waste, where you can cut costs, and where you can save money as a result of it. Okay? So if you're ready to simplify your inventory control, book a demo with Brahmin Solutions, and we'll show you how our system can work for your business. Thank you.